First thing I do when I get up in the morning is I think, where's my supplement? Like, I need it in my life. Hey guys, my name is Ray Ross, and I'm here just to tell you a little bit about my daily regimen and how I maintain getting the best fruits and vegetables into my daily habits. And not only that, I want to show you the cost, okay? I hear all the time people that are saying, I can't afford to eat organic, I cannot afford to, I can't even find most of that, organic produce and vegetables. Or if I can, it's super expensive, or it takes a long time to prepare, right? All these things, I hear them all the time. So I want to share with you something that you can do that is proactive, is very quick, and it costs very little, right? So I need energy in the morning. I don't drink coffee, but I need energy. I need some caffeine. I need something from a natural source, right? That helps get me going. This particular supplement, I'll tell you about it later, has 6 energizing ingredients. It has 25 fruits and berries. These are organic. 26 veggies and greens. 3 omegas and fiber. This is in seeds. And 29 probiotics and enzymes. Okay, these are live probiotics. Okay, if you're not getting all that in your daily routine, you're probably getting sick often. You're probably not feeling very awake when you get up in the morning. So I want to share this with you. I get all of this. Okay, now prepare yourself for the cost of this. Most people are thinking it's probably going to be at least $5 to $10 a serving. Okay, that would be reasonable for someone that's buying all organic produce, about $5 to $10 per serving. Okay, I get all of that for $1.50 per day, per serving, right? So there's no excuse at this point anymore. If you're not doing something like this, and I'll share with you more details as you watch my channel, please subscribe. I want people to get the kind of nutrition that they need in a very easy to manage budget, right? All you need is a plastic shaker cup, right? That's not a big deal. So in the comments below, drop me a line if you're interested in getting this. I will tell you all about it. I don't have time to go into all the details about it now and where it comes from and all that. That's another video. But if you're even interested, let's get together. I'll tell you about it. And in fact, in the comments below, just drop me a line and say SUPERFOODS, okay? And I will get in touch with you and I'll share with you exactly what this is and how you can get it too. All right? Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.